Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel Creative Letter. So let's go. A. A is for apple. Black color. B. B is for ball. Green color. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for flower. Z. Z is for graph. I. H. H is for hen. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for dog. K. K is for kettle. L. L is for lion. M. M is for mango. N. N is for nest. O is for orange. P. P is for pets. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for shape. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yet. So by kids, alphabet name A, B, C, D, E F C H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye kids.